let's check out the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is the dashboard. We have acquired leads, traffic sent, SMS numbers, found emails. So again, what you're going to be doing with XTargeter is scraping, which means just getting all the information from all the accounts, and this information is something that people are putting there willingly. Okay, so this is not something illegal. This is just the information that people add to their Instagram accounts, like their email, like their phone number, and obviously you'll be using hashtags, which means that you will be getting all of these leads targeted. So that's the home page. Obviously we have all the tutorials. The tutorials will show you, first of all, how to do all this, and secondly, how to use all this information to then sell a high ticket offer to these leads. Then we have my account. So here you're going to be connecting your Instagram account and changing your password. So pretty self-explanatory. Then we have campaign. So this is where you're going to be creating a campaign. Let's just click on create new. Obviously, you're going to have to add a name and then choose your account. So I don't have my account hooked up right here, so I can't really do this right now, but in a nutshell, all you have to do is just add the name of the campaign, choose the account, and then type in the keyword or the niche, and then you will be presented with all this information. Now, once you have all the emails and all the phone numbers, you're going to go to broadcast, and you can actually send messages from within XTargeter. So all you have to do is just create new, and as you can see, this is something that will send a message. So we have the message, you can choose the campaign, we have the Instagram account, we can use a headline, URL, and link description. So this is where you are adding the offer that you are promoting. Okay, so this is a broadcast. We also have an email finder. So if you want to find emails specifically, for example, if you're doing this for a client, or if you are interested in only emails, you can do this. Just select the campaign, click on proceed, and you will view all the emails. We also have SMS number finder. So the same exact thing that you can do with emails, you can do with just mobile numbers, which is another cool thing, because you can send messages to people and just get them to buy this way. So you're actually contacting them through both email and phone number, and also via Instagram message. So you have the best of now both worlds, three worlds. And then we have email validation. So here you're going to be verifying your Instagram email addresses if you want to use multiple Instagram accounts. So guys, this is it in a nutshell. Again, all the training that will be included will show you exactly what to do. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry, you can do this very, very effectively. And again, if you don't want to actually use XTargeter for yourself, you can use it for your clients and charge them hundreds of dollars, just like these guys right here on Fiverr are doing. So guys, in a nutshell, I think this is an amazing product, because a lot of people are using Instagram, businesses are using Instagram, and this is the best way to actually find the right people to promote the right offer to. So guys, that's what's on the inside. Let's check out the pricing.